Today's why or why not proposition. Influencers should be held to the same standards as journalists.
Team Y says yes. If you have the reach, you have the responsibility. Team Y not says you risk stifling free expression and creativity. So let's pass it on to Aya in the audience who will get their opinions. So, Aya.
Before we go back, let's hear from the audience, mga Waikada. Which side are you on? Why or why not? Why or why not?
Okay, madaming why not.
Why not?
Wow, okay.
At ngayon, pipili tayo ng ating Waikada. Ito. Parang kanina pa siya nag-eye contact sa akin eh.
I believe that social media influencers should be held on the same accountability as journalists because for the first part, influencers is a very wide term. So hindi na lang tao ang influencers kung hindi yung mga social media platforms itself influences people. In that sense, lahat ng tao, kahit hindi mo kilala kung sino yung nagsasabi, lagi siyang naiimpluwensyahan ng maraming tao and nakakarating siya sa maraming tao.
So, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Ito si ate, parang nginitian niya akong napakaganda na parang gusto niyang ilabas ang kanyang saloobin.
For me, why not? Because I believe that in terms of speaking or influencing, magbe-base tayo sa credibility. And sa credibility na yon, kapag influencer, if galing siya sa ibang platforms, nagkakaroon ng opinionated and also bias. And me, as a Gen Z, laging nasa Facebook and all platforms, nagbe-base ako sa credibility. Kung sino ba ang dapat kong pakinggan at ano ba ang dapat kong pakinggan. I believe in journalist is more credible pa rin.
Maraming
Palakpakan naman
salamat sa iyo.